in this program we calculate the solutions for quadratic function using the quadratic formula, this formula which we use in secondary schools. Minus b plus or equal the root, the square root for b times b minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. b and a and c are the coefficients of the quadratic function. So a for the x square and b for the x, this is a coefficient of x, and c is the constant. Okay, so as you see, this formula give you two roots, one minus b plus and the other one minus b minus. Okay, but here we have a problem. If this underscore root is minus, so it gives error. This is complex numbers, and we don't speak now about complex numbers. Okay, but if the value is negative under the root square, does this error. But if it's positive, let's get the results which the two roots. And this is a code. I written it and I examined with the code blocks and it's working. So these are the three coefficients a, b, and c. So I ask the user to enter the first coefficient and put it in a, and then enter the second coefficient and put it in variable b, and so with the third coefficient. And then I call a function which I designed, which I named it quadratic. Okay, so this quadratic is the same as we told. When we calling, we send values, but when we declaring the function, when we calling the function, we send values. But when we declaring and writing the function, the steps inside it, we have to declare the variables inside it. Okay, so we have a, b, and c, and all are integer variables. Then we defined inside the function the variable x1 and x2, which are the roots. These are the roots, so we can write here roots of the equation. Okay, and x and y, x which is the under the mean root square. Okay, this is x which is this one, x, this all x, this all x. Okay, this x. Okay, then I check x. If it's less than 0, it means it's minus, so give error, else it's positive. So y equals the square root of x, and this is a function built in C, and because I used it, I put here a mass. So x1, the first root, equals, and this driven from here. Okay, and x2 the same, but this is minus, here is the minus, and this is positive. Then I print out or outputting the x1 and x2 to the user. So let's examine. Examine. Enter the first coefficient 1. Let's try again. Enter the first question 1. Enter the second coefficient, which is b. I will let b 6. Okay. Enter the third coefficient c. I will let it 9 times 4 it will if I put c is not is 10, so it will exceed than 36, so it gives a negative value under the root square. So 10. Okay, so now it should give error. Yeah, the same error. Okay, so let's try another value. Another value. Okay, it will work, but now I need to check this one. If I put this comment, how it work? I think it give syntax error. Yes, there's syntax error. It's not working. Not working. Syntax error. Why? Because I commented this math and I'm using exponential function square root. This one. So to work well, I have to remove this comment. Thanks for listening.